Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here t-shirt mockup bundle, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access on my old file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. 30 days membership, 90 days and lifetime. After get subscription you have access on my old file. First I wanna show you the size of this folder. 19.4 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in one part. Here 5.48, 6.30 and here 7.63 GB. These are Photoshop files. You can customize in Photoshop. Here PSD preview, here hub and here displacement map. Next you see here next t-shirt mockup. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of